Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today is a very special day because I can make a mega dog thanks to Stella. So we're just gonna change the name to Minnie because that's all my dog's names. Minnie. They're all luminous, so it's exciting. So, yeah. So, yeah, let's get into the video, I guess. Neon Cave, here we come. Why'd I go on shift lock? I don't know. I'm being weird. Stella, you coming? Child. You're legit sitting right next to me. You can speak. You're, never mind. Shush, okay? Thank you. Oh.
Wait, let them see my neon that I made before.
Rookie! Okay,
Guess
well.
what Rookie is? It's a reindeer.
Yeah, I think they can. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Minnie. Boom, there we go. 1. Gotta go type in Minnie. 2. I'm just gonna scroll down, make it easier. 3.
You know you can keep your inventory open, right?
Whatever. 4. Here we go. Oh my god. It's happening. I finally made a mega neon dog! After all this time! Well, all of this time, I've finally been able to make a mega neon. Oh my god, guys. I'm so happy! Okay. Ride. Ah! And it's also fly. I love it! Yes! This is my first mega neon, so please don't judge. I'm just really happy. If you know what I mean. Because, like, yeah. We have Draco, so, yes. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm so happy! Yeah!
Look.
Oh my gosh! Albert! Backflip! Yes! Boom! That's what we do. And I guess we're gonna put the rose because Minnie had a rose in her hair. And then what else did Minnie have? Did she have shoes? No, that was... The shoes went to somebody else. Yeah. To my pelican, I believe. Bone wings. Oh, he's rolling over. So cute. Tricks. Roll over. Yes, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I love my mega neon dog. Yes. I don't know why it's square, but probably. I don't know why. Yes. Let's go. Okie dokie, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on it. Thank you for what? Are you buying that for Minnie? Because if so, you don't have to. You can... No, keep it for your dog. Your dog needs it more than Minnie. Minnie has a flower in her hair.
Albert's a dude.
Whatever, I don't care. Save it. No. No, don't give me the tiara. $700. That's yours. You only have $2,000 now. Keep it. Don't do anything. Don't get close to me. I'm gonna log off. Don't do it. Okay.
I'm gonna put it on my chicken.
Yes, put on your chicken.
Put it on Nugget.
Yes, to put it on Nugget.
Look at Nugget.
Let me see Nugget.
Look at Nugget.
That's so cute.
Look at Nugget. Nugget.
Alright, thank you guys.
Now Nugget wants to be mega neon. It's okay, Nugget. Let's get out of here.
Bye. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.
Let's go Nugget. Let's go ice skating.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Love you guys. Peace out.